In this question, we're asked to find the total number of oxygen atoms on the left-hand side of this chemical equation. You may recall that the left-hand side over here is called the reactants. In words, the arrow is said as yields, and on the right-hand side, we have the products. So essentially, we're asked for how many oxygen atoms are in the reactants. So we need to look at each reactant and figure out how many oxygens there are. In this case, we have Cr, then CO in parentheses, 6, which means we have 6 COs and 1 chromium here. So each Cr, CO6, contains 6 oxygens. Because each CO contains 1 oxygen, we have 6 times 1, so each of these contains 6 oxygens. However, we have 2 of them. So if we have 2 Cr, CO6, we have a total of 12 oxygens because each of them contains 6 and we have 2 of them, so this has 12 oxygens. You could do this another way by multiplying the 2 times the subscripted number for the oxygen, the 6, to give you a total of 12 oxygens. In the next case, we have potassium hydroxide, KOH. Here, each potassium hydroxide contains 1 oxygen, but we have 4 of them, which gives us a total of 4 oxygens. In this case, the subscripted number is 1. It's not shown, which means there's only 1 oxygen in a potassium hydroxide. So you could also do this as 4 times 1, which gives us 4 oxygens. You add them together because we have both this reactant and this reactant, so we have to add them together, which gives us a total of 16 oxygens. Although it's not shown in this particular question, I do want to show one other thing. Let's say, for example, we had 2 calcium nitrates. So we have 2 CaNO3, 2. Each calcium nitrate contains 6 oxygens because it contains 2 nitrates. Nitrate is in parentheses and there's 2 of them. Each nitrate contains 3 oxygens, so 2 of them contains 6 oxygens. If we have 2 calcium nitrates, this has a total of 12 oxygens. Said another way, we took 2 times 3, which is 6, times 2 again, which gives us 12, or 2 times 3 times 2, which also gives you 12. It doesn't matter which way you multiply them. So you do have to multiply all the subscripted numbers. If you go back to this case, it's 6 times 1 times 2, which gives you the total of 12 oxygens.